bag, Jimmy Choo heels, S-Class mug. What next to your list of priceless possessions? Hey, have you always been the coolest kid on the block? Then come on, you can't just have just another ordinary kitchen. You need to have something really beautiful and trendy. So here in Design Cafe, we've designed this beautiful kitchen here. Here you can see is a kitchen that is completely finished in white glossy Duco. And to complete this look, we've given white lacquered glass for dado and black engineered marble for countertop. It might be a little bit of maintenance since it's entirely white, but I'm sure you'd go that extra mile to keep it clean. For a trendy kitchen, you ought to have some trendy units. So for this overheads, you can see here, they're completely finished in frosted glass with some really cool mechanisms. So what you see first is this diagonal top lift. And here what we have is a straight lift. For the internal shelving, we've used glass so that it makes it look lighter. And these mechanisms are German made. They're completely lightweight and easy to use. Tall units for your kitchen can be entirely personalized based on what you want to store and how you want to store. Here you can see is a possibility of a few. So we've given here an open storage, then a couple of internal storage as well. So you can also have your inbuilt appliances on this unit. Here what you can see is a shutter with drawers attached to it. Another variant to this would be to have a shutter and pull-out drawers within. You can also personalize this whether you want it as ledges, fixed ledges or pull-out drawers. This entire unit is finished at an 8 feet height, and it is done so because these days we are seeing a trend that people are opting for taller units. But it's always nice to come here, have a feel of it before you get it done for your home. For all you MasterChef home cooks out there, I believe this is the perfect kitchen for you guys. So for the bottom units, we have given a stone textured decorative laminate. This gives the aesthetics of a stone and zero maintenance advantage of a laminate. This can definitely take up all the hassles of your cooking inventions. And as for the overheads, given this really cool chalkboard laminate wherein you can doodle your inventions then and there. So for the really cool inventor, let's give you this dado shelving. This can go into your dry area in the kitchen. Right here, right below the microwave, we've given a tray pull-out so that anything that you take hot out of the microwave can directly go on top of this. Many of the kitchen layouts that we see these days do not provide enough space for a breakfast counter or a breakfast table within the kitchen. In that case, we definitely suggest you something like this, which is a foldable breakfast counter that you can open when you need to use it. So you can drop it when you need it. And this comes with a inbuilt cutlery storage space. And you can close it once you're done. If you're a person who would like to cook idli and sambar every other day as much as you love your Kanchivaram saris, then here at Design Cafe, we'll help you design something as sleek and classy as this, but with the sensibilities of a South Indian kitchen. For example, here we have a tandem drawer with the perfect internal solution to store your thali plates. And why not suggest you an oil pull-out right next to your hob so that you can pull out your coconut oil just on time. Now this kitchen is completely finished in lacquered glass, black and cream. As you can see, it's completely seamless and handleless for the drawers. Now, if you're a person who always had to wear heels to access your overhead units, then we have something really cool for you guys. For example, this straight lift up here, extremely easy to use. Or like this really cool unit here, where you pull down the bottom portion and the top portion is taken care of. Well, how many times has it happened that you walk into a new restaurant and you see these really cool finishes and you wondered why you don't have it for your home? So now at Design Cafe, we are broadening your options for finishes. Have a look at this really cool 3D waveboard panel that we've used. It can go onto your shutter or as panel for your storage areas. And for the bottom units, we've used this really beautiful laminate all the way from Europe, and it's totally trending. So here, right below the sink, we've given a complete metallic finish and a pull-out waste bin. So here at Design Cafe, we are also on the constant lookout for the latest waste management systems. So if you have a home that generates a lot more waste, then we suggest you a larger dustbin pull-out. So instead of normal skirting, we also give this really cool option of skirting drawers. This can take care of your basic storage needs for your cleaning agents and equipments. But if you still need more, then we have this really cool unit as janitor's closet that can go into your utility. For all those who absolutely love the look and feel of real wood and have always wanted it around the entire house, we are giving you an opportunity to have it in your kitchen as well. And this at a much affordable cost than a real wood. So here in this beautiful kitchen, we have given matte finish veneer for the overheads and matte finish acrylic for the lower. Now for such a suave kitchen, we've given some really cool mechanisms as well. Here you see is a bifold top lift, or you can have a simple 90-degree top lift. If you have ever complained about not having enough of counter space, then we have the perfect solution for you. Here you see is an extendable drawer that can add on to your counter space. And in this particular one, we have finished it with stone textured laminate. So you can do all your chopping and use this as a chopping board, and it can take all of your scratches. So these days, with the concept of having a lot more open kitchen and kitchen that bleed into dining spaces, you need to make sure that your units look really elegant as well. So here that you see is a tall unit completely finished in matte finish veneer. And this can serve as a cutlery and a crockery storage as well. So now when you have parties, to make sure that this doesn't come in your way, we've provided this to be as pocket doors. Whether you want ledges or drawers for your internal storage, it is completely customizable, up to you for what you want to store. Burberry bag, Jimmy Choo heels, S-Class mug. What next to your list of priceless possessions? Why not your kitchen? Here at Design Cafe, we'll help you design the perfect kitchen that even Armani would be proud to call its own. So have a look at this finest new collection of our Armani kitchen. This particular kitchen is entirely finished in matte black Duco and an Italian marble countertop. We also have the largest collection of corner units displayed here. For this exquisite premium kitchen, we've used the same components that go into an Armani kitchen as well, which means all the internals for the units are completely finished in metal, making it extremely durable, lightweight, easy to use, with absolutely low or zero maintenance whatsoever for up to 20 years. Here at Design Cafe, we are always on the lookout to maximize the space for storage. So here, right in front of the column, we've given a sleek storage unit. And to make things a little more fun, we've given a chalkboard laminate on the inside for you to doodle. Here we have a couple of more options for corner storage. If you've always been frustrated about reaching out to the overhead shelves because of your height, then worry no more, because we can definitely customize your tall units to your height. So here at Design Cafe, we make sure that each and every unit that we have here is aesthetically beautiful and entirely functional.